Tufts University's Department of Biomedical Engineering prepares you to innovate at the intersection of engineering, biology, and medicine. Located minutes from the biotech and healthcare hubs of Boston and Cambridge, students learn where discovery meets real-world impact. Through our graduate programs, students design medical devices, analyze biological systems, and develop technologies that improve human health.
A recent graduate says that Tufts' emphasis on preparing students to be both scientists and problem solvers, able to address real-world challenges, served as a launching point for her career in biotechnology.
Our alumni work at companies including Biogen, Moderna Therapeutics, Boston Children's Hospital, and many more, with positions such as biochemist, medical scientist, and biophysicist. Gain hands-on experience through the School of Engineering Graduate Co-op Program, with up to 6 months of full-time work. Expand your impact with Tufts' dual degree program, combining an MS in biomedical engineering or bioengineering with a leadership-focused MS from the Gordon Institute.
Learn more at go.tufts.edu/BME.